Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. For today's video, talk about the pros and cons of automation and robotic taking over. So in today's fast-changing world, automation and robotic are becoming more common in industry, offices, and even our home machines are now doing tasks that used to require human effort. While automation offers many benefits, it also raises important questions. Are robots taking over jobs? So what are the good and bad effects of automation? So, pros of automation: increase efficiency and productivity. Robotic and automated systems can work faster and longer than humans without getting tired. This means companies are produce time, product, and less time. So, there are 4 examples of pros of automation. First, savings. Once automation systems are installed, they reduce labor costs because the fewer workers are needed to do the same task. Second, accuracy and precision. Robots perform tasks with high precision, reducing the human error, especially fields like medicine, electronics, and manufacturing. Third, safety for workers. Dangerous jobs such as those involving chemicals or heavy machinery can be done with robots, keeping human workers out of harm's way. Fourth, consistency. Machines don't get distracted or emotional. They deliver consistent results every time. Cons of automation. Job losses. One of the biggest concerns is unemployment. As robots replace workers, many people lost their jobs, especially in factories and retail. Second, high initial costs. Setting up an automated system can be very expensive. Not all companies, especially small businesses, can afford it. Fourth, lack of human touch. In fields like customer service, healthcare, and education, human interaction important. Robots cannot replace empathy and emotional intelligence. So, fifth, over-dependence on technology. Relying so much on machine can lead to problems when systems fail, break down, or get hacked. The last example, skills gaps. Workers who lose jobs to automation may not have the technical skills to get new jobs and tech-related fields, leading to inequality. So, in generally, pros and cons, automated, robotic taking over. If automation is not completely bad or good, it has both advantage and disadvantage. While it can make our life easier and both productivity, it also brings serious challenges like job loss and over-reliance and machine. Instead of bearing robots, we should focus on preparing people with the right skills to work alongside technology. After all, robots may be powerful, but they still need human guidance.